I always tell people, let's look at your dream destination and we're going to tackle that first. Because once you see that your dream destination was easily attainable, now sky's the limit for everywhere else you want to go.
That's the motivation is some
Yep.
player twos or partners. I think they think it's really theoretical. I don't really understand this. And they see the trip and hopefully are more motivated.
Yep. Absolutely.
And when
Couldn't
I
agree
got
more.
my first sign up bonus, I thought, oh, this was pretty easy. How can I do this more? How can I generate spend in other ways? And I found some product reselling. I found other creative ways to spend. So it was easy to gin up the spend and having a lot of fun. In the meantime, meeting people like you, going to different events, and there were even some chance meetings I had where I was traveling and I saw other miles and points people. Oh, how did you end up here? Has that happened to you? Have you run into people in the wild unplanned?
Yeah, I've ran a few people. I think most of my trips, one of the things when you said it too, is not ran into, but learning new things. I remember when you told me, totally forgot about the StubHub credit.
Oh,
So,
yes. Wizard
yeah,
of
yeah.
Oz at the Sphere I went to.
So let me tell you, I did two things. One, the StubHub credit, I was like, oh damn, I forgot about that. And it's big. You could really use it in Vegas. You told me about the Wizard of Oz. So I was telling my wife, I was like, we were going to use that. We used it, but we ended up using it for Michael Jackson 1. My wife and my kids, they loved it. So they won event and we used their StubHub credit. Great. They
Nice.
loved
There you
it.
go. An extra
Yeah,
show.
yeah.
And
But I forgot
oh,
about it. I was like, and just the fact that you had brought it up, I know it was during, I don't know if it was in the airport. I feel like I saw you in the lounge or maybe that was afterward, but the Zorg Fest trip and just seeing you. And that's the thing, when you have these meetups, no one knows everything. I always tell people that all the time. And even if you like, there's no one's going to know everything. And it's always something new because they move goalposts all the time or it's some new benefit that comes up. It's just like technology changes every 3 to 6 months. You're never going to know everything. So doing these meetups, like the meetups that you have one on 11th, I believe, is eye opening, especially if you're a beginner to meet and hear other people talking about the points and miles or, oh, how they got started or, oh, hey, did you know about this credit? Yeah, I've totally forgot about that credit. Or did you try this? Damn, I didn't even do that before. And I've been doing this for years. You know what I mean? And now I'm using it. So I always tell people it's always good to be around like-minded people, meeting up with like-minded people. That's even with me. That's why I created, it's called the Tricks of Travel community where we all are, it's about 2,000 people, but we're all in there and we're always sharing ideas and different things that we do and the renditions that we've done. And people just blueprint it. When you have people do it already, it's like it's easy blueprint. You've already done it. It's easy. Just follow the directions and follow what you just did. And boom, I can do it too. So it's very simple.